Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Ollama. Ollama is a platform designed to simplify the development and management of machine learning models, particularly in the context of natural language processing. It allows developers to easily run and interact with large language models locally or in the cloud by providing a user-friendly interface and tools. Ollama aims to make advanced AI technologies more accessible to developers and business, enabling them to integrate AI capabilities into their applications without extensive infrastructure setup. Now we'll go to Ollama models site. This is the Ollama model website. Before downloading the models, we have to download Ollama into our system. To do that, we have to click on download. I've already downloaded it, and you can also download it like similar to game softwares. For confirmation, I'll check whether it has been downloaded or not. Yeah, it is downloaded. Now we'll try to download models. These are the models which we can get in Ollama models website. For example, I will try to download DeepSeek R1. In DeepSeek R1, there are so many versions. This is the latest one. I'll try to download a smaller version of DeepSeek R1, which is 1.5 billion parameters. To download 1.5 billion parameters version, we have to copy this command, open command prompt, and run it here. It is 1.1 GB. It will take some time. Now, DeepSeek R1 1.5 billion version parameters has been downloaded. So it is asking us for to send a message. So I'll start with the conversation. As you can see, it has replied, "Hello, how can I assist you today?" So this is how we can run DeepSeek R1 in our local machine. Thank you. For more videos on AI, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you next video.